Hi, this is Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Mahindra Pik Up, stock number 7419. It's ran from the 8th 2011 to the 4th 2021. It's a HD94 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is HD94 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, right rear 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, right rear door has a crease, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory Mahindra tyre, right front door card, right front master switch. Center console, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.